Assalamualaikum grade 10. Hopefully you all will be good and enjoy good health. I have given you many creative writing topics and I hope you are doing it and you are revising your literature work also. Today date is 15 September 2020. It's my 48th lecture and day is Tuesday. So I am going to revise all tenses. I have shown you the tenses chart. I told you how to remember the rules to make tenses. There is a question in your exam, translate into English. So we have covered all the tenses, all the 12 tenses. I have given you mixed sentences of the tenses and I want you to see it and try to write the sentences to your own. See, ये आदमी सुबह से घास नहीं काट रहा है. So नहीं नेगेटिव सेंटेंस रहा है and सुबह से. So time is given है रहा है, रही है. If we have रहा है, रही है at the end and we have the time in a sentence, in Urdu sentence it is present perfect continuous tense. So you have to remember the rules how we will identify or recognize Urdu sentences. मज़दूरों ने जुलूस निकाला. So अलिफ, if we have अलिफ छोटी है बड़ी है, it is past indefinite tense. कोई सियासी जमात जुलूस नहीं निकालेगी. So नेगेटिव सेंटेंस नहीं निकालेगी. If we have गा गे गी, it is future indefinite tense. मैच बगैर हार जीत के ख़त्म हो चुका है. So if we have चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, it is present perfect tense. हमारे दोस्त हमारा इंतज़ार कर चुके होंगे. So चुके होंगे, चुकी होंगी, it is future perfect tense. लोग 2 घंटे से आग बुझा रहे थे. So 2 घंटे टाइम इज़ गिवन रहे थे. If we have रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, it is past perfect continuous tense. दरवाज़ा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking? Sorry, you have to see it is question. It's a question and रहा है, रही है, it is past, sorry, present continuous tense. क्या लोग जल्दी जल्दी स्टेशन पर पहुंच रहे थे? So रहा था, रही थी. If we have it is past continuous tense. दाना आदमी ऐसी गलती नहीं करता है. ता है, ती है. Again you should know that if we have ता है, ती है at the end of the sentence it is present indefinite tense. नौकर 3 साल से मालिक की खिदमत नहीं कर रहा होगा. So again रहा होगा, रही होगी and 3 साल से. It is future perfect continuous tense. गा गे गी से continuous tense का पता चल रहा हो. अगर टाइम दिया हुआ है तो it is future perfect continuous tense. You have to remember how to recognize a tense. After recognizing the tense you have to remember the rules. If it is present, past or future, what helping verb you will write and what form of verb you will use in this tense. Such as ये आदमी सुबह से घास नहीं काट रहा है. Present perfect continuous tense. So you should know that in present perfect continuous tense we have helping verb has been, have been. Helping verb हम has been, have been लगाएंगे with first form of verb plus ing यानी present participle लगाएंगे. एंड सुबह से since morning, यहाँ since या for लगाएंगे और since morning के ये फिक्स टाइम है. विद फिक्स टाइम वी विल राइट since, with unfixed time we will write for. So just revise the rule and try to make the sentences to your own of all of these 10 sentences. It will be give you some idea how you have to prepare for your exam. So in exam you have 8 marks of this one translated to English and you have also choice. You have to do dialogue, you have to do translation or you have to do dialogue, but I want you to do practice of these sentences. All of the tenses you have learned. Revise the rules again and how you can recognize these tenses in Urdu. I hope you will do it. It is your home task. Do it and send me the images so that I can guide you accordingly that you have make correct tenses, and if you have some mistake in your tenses I can guide you. I hope you will do it. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.